Hello YouTubers, you're watching the Just Do It Yourself channel, and today we have 2012 F150 and we will be replacing vacuum lines. So the front wheel actuators are the ones that are engaged with the impact of vacuum. So when vacuum is applied, they are disengaged, and when there's no vacuum, they are engaged all the time. So cracked, broken line will lead for first vacuum leak, which is not good, and secondly your front wheels will be engaged all the time, which is not good too. So we will go ahead and replace all those lines. I got them from the dealership. I'll try to find the link as I needed them right away. So here's the line, and some of them just wrapped through, and I guess the reason is that some of the zip ties and hose clamps are broken. So to replace those, we will just remove it from the actuator, just pull it off, and we will try to follow where they go and just go from one clamp to another, to another, to another. This line is in a double, the bigger one and smaller one. My understanding, the bigger one is actual vacuum. This one is the breather. So when the piston in that actuator moves, it needs some breathing room. So the small lines just go somewhere on top, just over here, and show you. You can see it ends over there. So this is the end. So that's my understanding, that that's just a breather. So okay, let's get started with this. We will need a few tools. One thing that would be nice to have is tiny needle nose pliers to remove some of those clips. Okay, so another helpful tool would be something like this, the chain remove tool, and then this is the needle nose pliers. All the clips and brackets comes with the new harness, so at this point we honestly won't worry too much about saving those. So I will just go behind again each one and just pull it out. If for some reason you won't be placing those back, you are removing from the loose track, so you want to save those. It's probably a good idea to be a little bit more careful removing those. But in my case, I will just start pulling those up. And honestly, like, it seems like all of those are just kind of one-time use, can be reused. So just to stay and don't forget where those go, I will probably just grab the new harness and we'll start placing it on. The right and left side are obviously different, so you have to make sure that you pick the right one in this. And I don't think there is a specific reason why you should start with one or the other side, but you just need to make sure that you are using correct one. So there is one bracket just behind over there that was actually broken, that caused those hoses to go bad because they were rubbing against something. So this one is that type where I said that I'm using needle nose pliers to press it in so you can pull it out easily when you use it. This will be the case for the rest. So yeah, basically you just go all the way, and now we can place this on the actuator itself. Those are nice and snug. So we will keep going with following the hoses and removing the clips and placing the new one as we go. There's another one. And this just above the strut. That out. I guess the biggest thing is that you attach all of those clips and brackets to ensure that they are not wobbling and they are not getting damaged. Probably should have moved the camera. There. One. Oh, that right clip to go in. And the other hole on the frame for the back to go in. So that's all what we will do. I'll probably just get under the vehicle and we'll be following. Not sure if it makes sense to do it with the camera. If there is something that you should know, I will definitely turn the camera back on. Okay, so I'm under the vehicle now. So this is the front. Basically, there's one clip over here, the other one over there, the other one over there, and then we go back to the driver's side under wall. One thing that I probably would recommend doing. Okay, apologies, I lost the audio for a second, but basically to do a quick recap, just following the line from the actuator. So there's one clip behind here, another one, one, two, then three, just over here, four on the frame, and then it goes kind of behind. One thing that I think I've done wrong is you probably should start with the driver's side, because that all harness you need to carry to the other side. So if you do it again, just start with the driver's side. I will get under the vehicle. So being under the vehicle, few clips along the frame, and it goes again under the fender well. So we'll get those removed and place the new one in. Okay, so now I'm on the other side of the car, driver's side. It's very similar setup to what was on the other side. So one clip over here, and then the other one just over there. So I will get those hoses to the side. We'll place the new one. So it's super easy job, I would say. One thing you just need to pay attention not to miss any clips and route this the same way as it was before, because it might seem like there is tons of wiggle room and you can just run it anywhere, but at the end of the day there are just so many moving parts that if you don't route it properly, most likely it will get damaged at one point or another. So we'll just go around there, as well as we will remove, there's a hose attached to this clamp, but on the other side the vacuum line is attached. So we'll put this in wherever that hole is. Oh, here it is. This can be probably also done, this part from under the hood. Actually, this one came with the bracket, but I'll just reuse one. It is already there. So I'll just place it in, place this hose back in. So now we have this branch of the hose that goes to the well under the hood. So we'll just push it up, and then we'll grab it from under the hood. So I guess we'll need to disconnect the old one too. So I'll just keep going, and this is ABS cable, we don't want to touch that. So we will come with the new one, place it in, go up here, place the new one in. There's a nice big stone behind. Place this one in, and then we are left with this one just behind, which is broken now. Get the clip out. This can be stopped a bit. It's out. So now we push this back in, and now put it on the actuator itself. So two hoses, top and bottom. Okay, this all looks good, so now we just need to attach to the well. Right, so we are here under the hood. This is the new hose. This is the old one. So just pull it off the well and place the new one back in. So now we should be good to remove the old harness completely. So this looks great. Okay, one thing that I wanted to note is that this is supposed to go, I don't know, it's like on the other side. This hose was pointing to the back, like this bend, but it sits quite nicely in here. So I guess we'll just leave it, but pay attention how yours is. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. And as always, just do it yourself.